Hey, this is Ronnie, also known as Junior to these veterans that are running this Rising Eagles revivals and restorations. While Dad, Senior Ron, is over across seas, boots on the ground there. I'm the one boots on the ground over here in the garage. Not exactly clean. We just got done with a project in here, or at least I did. Still haven't had a chance to clean up yet, but the guys, Mr. Garcia and Senior, they wanted to had me have an intro for this white S-10 we're working on. This is the current project that I'm trying to get done by the time Senior gets back from his tour overseas. Kind of the first thing that we want to work on. Now, we've had this thing for a couple years. We're finally now just getting to, get back into the work on it. It is an 86 S10. It does have an Olds front end on it from Bravada. It's on an 86 frame, 82 cab. Might have that reversed. I'll have to fact check that one. I'll let you know. We've already done a good bit of stuff to this one. It is a frame off restoration. We restored the frame, put new suspension on it. Kind of a paint job on there. We do need to clean it, wet sand it, get all this dust off of here because that's obviously a bigger issue. Interior needs to go back together. We got a couple cool plans for that interior for you guys that I definitely want to show off to you. But I mean, it's running, it drives, it goes. Real quick, I'll give you guys a sneak peek. Under the hood, engine bay is not completely finished, but it is almost there to where it's, right where it's going to be. So give me one. Now, under the hood of this one, this is where most of our work has already gone into. A lot of long days, let's just go with that. It isn't just your standard Chevy 350 swap. It is actually an Oldsmobile Rocket 350 out of a 69 Cutlass S. Along with that, I mean, every part of this engine kind of had to be worked, repositioned, all this other stuff to get it to work in this application. We really wanted to do a tribute truck to the Olds, to like the Grand National, for instance. We have a couple decisions going on as far as how the outside is going to look. Right now, white is the base, as you can see, but I mean, a lot of work's going into it. Custom engine manifolds for the exhaust to actually fit the steering column. The brake lines are routed a little bit differently. Couple things going on there. We do need to finish the exhaust, but that's all stuff we'll show you guys in future videos. Can't really show you too much of that right now. Next step is, get the body back together, and then we can focus on the actual essentials to get this thing on the road. Wheels, tires, full exhaust, fully done. The interior, try to make it, pretty much the flagship truck, first project since Rising Eagle has been started. I kind of have my own thing. It's called Auto Inc. That's why I'm helping them with this. Plus, I mean, we've been doing this stuff for years. This is not the first S10 we've built. That's just seemed to be the main thing, but we will definitely be getting into other stuff on this channel. Hopefully make something out of it. We are eventually going to be traveling, getting some cars, making sure that we're, the revival and restoration part of Rising Eagle. I'm just here helping out. Like I said, I'm the boots on the ground over here while he's boots on the ground over there. So let's see what we guys can get done, and we will, show you along the way.